everyone, it's Tiana. So welcome and welcome back to my YouTube video. So I decided to keep going with the fall looks. So I wanted to do like a cute glitter eyeshadow. So the first color I use is Credit from the ABH palette X Jackie Aina. And then I'm gonna go in with that with windshield wiper motions, and then on top of that color, just to blend out that like dark brown shade, I'm gonna go in with a lighter brown, which is ginger from that palette, and just blend that out. And then after I blend out that eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. putty eyeshadow primer in the color black. I'm gonna put that all over my lid just to get like a darker base and make it a little bit more smokier. So a more smoky look. I know a lot of people use like gel liner and things like that, but I didn't have any gel liner, so I decided to use like the e.l.f. putty primer, which works just as well. So yeah. And then after I blend out that primer, I'm going to take the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in the shade black, liquid glitter eyeshadow to be exact. I put that on before I put on a loose glitter, just to make the color, like the loose glitter, pop a little bit more shimmer. It makes it look 10 times better. I've used like glitter before, and like doing this base before, it's like day and night. And the glitter I'm gonna take is from Max Lux. Her name is Maxine. She's on YouTube. She's a makeup artist. Definitely check her out. Her glitters are popping. And I used her eyebrow, her concealer brush to conceal underneath my eyebrows, and it's like smooth. Never did it before. And sorry if I keep looking up. My TV is behind like my camera, and 101 is on Netflix. So I've been watching that. So sorry, but I keep looking up. And the foundation that I use, which I always use, is the NYX Born to Glow in Sienna. And the concealer that I'm going to take after this is the Milani Perfect and Conceal. I have everything, like I have a haul coming, not a haul, but I have a video using all new products coming, probably in like next week or something like that, just to like try something different. So be on the lookout for that. And I think one more like Halloween look. I know I did it on my Instagram, but I didn't post it on like my YouTube because I wanted to get like the hang of it. And yeah, so being the perfectionist in me wanted to get the hang of it. But I'm gonna put it on YouTube as well. And then after I cream contour with the NYX foundation stick, I'ma set my contour in place with the Beauty Bakery brownie bar. As it's a face palette, so it has contour, blush, and highlight. So I used the contour, blush, and highlight for this look, so that I just used that one whole palette. And then to set my face, like set underneath my jawline, I used the Maybelline Fit Me and deep, just because it's a little bit darker and you don't want that harsh like um foundation, like setting powder line on your face. So just to make it a little bit darker and blend out, I took that just to cut underneath there. And then I did set underneath my eyes, but I guess I wasn't recording that, but I set underneath my eyes with the um Beauty Bakery setting powder and plantain. And then eyelashes, I use the cotton candy lashes, which are my favorite. Cotton candy lashes in the style Imani. So definitely check her out. And then after that, I'm going to take my KKW Beauty lip liner in Nude 3. And then for lip stick, I'm going to take the Soft Matte from NYX in Abu Dhabi. I'm starting to like this lip liner. Let me know if you can find, like, if you know any chocolate dark brown lip liners. That's what I'm really looking for. I like the KKW one. It's smooth, but it's not as dark as I would like it. So let me know if you know any. Finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.